Social media is very important from the perspective of giving both the good and the bad news to people. Everybody now understand what is the real thing, so it is very important that everybody from the hiring space is up to date about what is being said about the company in the social media. So that is an important study, and it needs to be percolated to the highest level, that this is the perspective which is being carried out, carried in the minds of people. So company can take necessary corrective actions. As far as the good thing about the social media is, if you are in a position to create and percolate good stories about how the company is really encouraging people to grow, how the company is really encouraging people to excite people in their job, how every person is growing within the company, these stories can really provide a very good market, very good reach to all the people, and the prospective candidate will definitely go and get excited to take up your offer. See, as far as hiring is concerned, it is very important that the technology helps the companies not only in the technical aspects or technical expertise of the candidate, but also the softer aspects, softer skills of the person. So is the technology useful to detect an adequate aggressiveness in a salesperson? Is the technology adequate in understanding the person's team playing capabilities? So do we have the different tools wherein without an intervention of without any human intervention, whether we can identify these kind of traits in candidates, then it will save a lot of time interviewing people by using these technologies. I do not think much has changed in the last 3 years from the perspective of job seekers, because for one thing, the job seeker gets to know what the JD is, what is involved in the role, but not much information is provided in the JD itself as to what kind of social programs the company provides. If an employee, if the job seeker has a particular talent, how, let's say the talent of singing, how his talent of singing can be used within the organization from the social program perspective. If he is a painter or she is a painter, how that painting talent can be used, which is not relevant to the job, okay, but it is definitely relevant to the social programs the company is organizing. So it will be very nice if the job descriptions also provide some perspective as to how their different talents can be used in the social programs which the company is organizing.